In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell tickets on Shopify. If you're running an event, a workshop, or any kind of live experience, you don't need a separate ticketing platform. You can actually use Shopify to sell tickets just like you would sell any other digital product. I'll walk you through how to set this up step by step, and by the end, you'll have a ticket product ready to go on your store. Start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu. Look for the option labeled Products and click on that. This will open a list of all the products currently in your store. In the top right corner of this page, click Add Product. That will open the product editor, which is where you'll set up your ticket. First, add a clear title for your ticket. You want something that tells customers exactly what it is. For example, you could use Event Ticket, Event Title, or Workshop Ticket. Learn Shopify Basics Live Event. A descriptive title makes it easier for customers to trust what they're buying and also helps you stay organized on the back end. Next, move down to the product description. This is where you provide all the important event details. Include the date, time, and location of the event, and explain what attendees will get or learn. You can also list what's included, like materials, refreshments, or bonus content. It's a good idea to mention any important conditions here as well, such as limited seats, whether the ticket is non-transferable, or if it's non-refundable. The more clarity you give up front, the fewer questions and support requests you'll have later. Now, add media to your product. This could be a ticket preview, an event poster, or a branded image that represents your event. Click Upload New to upload an image from your computer, or choose Select Existing if you already have an image stored in your Shopify files. A strong visual helps the product feel more professional and trustworthy. Scroll down to the pricing section and enter your ticket price. Then, in the inventory section, make sure that inventory tracking is enabled. Set the quantity to match the number of tickets you actually have available. This is how you control how many seats can be sold. Also, ensure that the option to sell when out of stock is turned off, so you don't accidentally oversell your event. In the shipping section, disable the "This is a physical product" option. Tickets are usually digital or will be delivered via email or confirmation message, so you don't want Shopify to treat this like a shipped item. Once you've reviewed everything and you're happy with the setup, go to the top of the page and click Save near the search bar. Your ticket product is now created and ready to be added to collections, shared with customers, and sold through your Shopify store.